Zaid, teach Mama the name of the animals, okay? Oh, animals. What's the first one?
Rabbit.
Okay, very good.
Rabbit.
Rabbit also.
Hamster.
Hamster, very good.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Rabbit.
Macaw bird. Okay, next.
Macaw.
Yes. Next.
Bubble.
Huh?
Bubble.
Parrot. What's that? What's that? You forgot?
Cat.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Very good. Next.
Rabbit.
Lovebird.
Kibasi.
A zebra finch. Okay. Next.
Otter.
Goldfish.
Ivy.
Honeybee.
Kiwi.
Squirrel.
Chicken.
Silkworm.
Cuckoo.
Turtle.
This one.
Swan.
Goose.
Goose. What's that?
Like that.
Ostrich. Ostrich. Next. The yellow one. The yellow bird.
Canary.
Canary. The other one. The brown one. The brown bird. This one. Quail.
Kiwi.
Quail. Quail.
Kiwi.
This one. This one. Guinea.
Shower.
Guinea fowl. This one. What's next?
Yeah.
This one. This one. Oh.
Cookie.
Turkey. Very good. No. Finished one. That's one.
Duck.
Duck.
Hey.
Hen. Rose.
Rooster.
Oh, very good.
Chick.
A chick.
Duckling.
Duckling. Very good. Here. This one.
Cow.
Cow.
Calf.
Calf. Very good. Sige, next. What's that?
Water.
What's that? No, here, this one.
Goat.
Goat. The small goat. What's that?
Kid.
Kid. Oh, very good. Next.
Meat.
This one. Hurry up. This one, oh.
Sheep.
Oh, sheep. Lamb.
Cat.
Cat.
Chicken.
Kitten. Very good.
Dog.
Dog.
Baby.
Puppy. Here. This one.
Camel.
Camel. This one.
Cool.
Foal. Very good. Donkey.
Duck.
What's that?
Ducky.
Donkey. Next. This one.
Mick.
Pig.
Mick.
Piglet. This one. Oh, this one. Oh, sige.
Camel.
Camel. This one. Next.
Pony.
Pony. Very good. Horse.
Hag.
Yak. Buffalo. Very good. Oh, there's another one. Another one is too much. Too much, baby. Mama will fix. Oh, sige.
Guy.
Wait, so Mama cannot see it. Okay. What's the first one?
Shark.
Stag. Hyena. Yes.
Shark.
Fox.
Duckard.
Jackal.
Meerkat.
Very good.
Manda.
Panda.
Bear.
Bear. Polar bear. Next. Deer. Tiger. What's the sound of tiger? Like that. Next. What's next?
Oh.
This one.
Oh.
Wolf. Oh, sige.
Whoa.
Wolf.
Oh.
Oh, that's the sound of the wolf. Okay, next.
Monkey.
Like that. Oh, next.
Cover.
Koala. Oh, next. Small one.
No one.
Raccoon. Very good. Next. Next. What's that? Gorilla, your friend.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Very good. Next.
Buckle.
Huh? Where are you now?
Buckle.
Black Panther. This one. Lynx. Very good. This one.
Yeah.
Lion. That's the sound of the lion. Okay, next. What's that?
Big bag.
Leopard. Very good. The sound of the leopard. Next.
Tita.
Cheetah. Same. Like that. What's that?
That's that.
What's that? What's
Puma.
Puma. Next.
Jaguar.
Jaguar. Very good. Next. Next. This one. The long neck. What's that?
Zebra.
Oh, no, not yet. The zebra. Oh, the zebra first. Okay. Next to zebra. This one. The big horn. What's
Come
that?
on, rat.
Huh?
Come on, rat.
Yak. Oh, yak. Next. Busy. No, I cannot. Huh? Bison. Okay, next. Next. Hurry up. Almost finished. Giraffe. Okay. The long nose. Rhinoceros. The big mouth. Hippopotamus. The big one. What's that? Last one. Elephant. Oh, what's the sound of the elephant? Like that. Oh, finish na. Thank you, Zaid. Bravo. Oh, not yet.